Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Sketch and Craft. Today we are going to draw super cute and funny Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Draw two oval shapes for his eyes. Now draw two small ovals inside for the pupils. Below the eyes, draw a big oval. Color the pupil into black but leave the shiny part. Draw his big smile with a curved line. You can add a tongue inside if you want. Now we draw the face little wide on cheeks. Draw the head and two big circles on top, one on the left side and other on the right side. On both the side of body, draw his arms. Now draw his white gloves. Draw a curved line for the belt. Now draw his shorts. Add the buttons. Draw two legs coming down from the shorts. At the bottom, draw his big shoes. His shoes are big and round. Don't forget to draw Mickey's tail. Draw a long thin curved line coming out behind his shorts. Now let's draw Minnie Mouse next to the Mickey Mouse. Draw two oval shapes for her eyes. Now draw the pupil and the white shiny part. Draw three lines for the eyelashes. Now draw the oval for the nose. Now draw his big smile with the curved line. Now on the top, draw the bow. Draw it like butterfly shape. Add Minnie Mouse famous pattern dot all over it. Now draw the face little wide on the cheek. Draw the head and two big circles on top, one on the left side and one on the right side. Now add the tongue. Now we draw Minnie Mouse glove on her cheek for the cute pose. Now the other hand holding the dress. Now draw the beautiful dress. Add the similar pattern like the bow. Now draw two legs coming down from the dress, one folded and one straight. Draw her big yellow shoes just like Mickey Mouse shoes. I am using black color on nose, head, ear, body, leg and tail. Now use pink color on tongue and brown inside the mouth. I am using red for the pant and use yellow for the shoes. You can use peach color or skin color for the face. Now I am using black on Minnie's nose, ear, head and leg. Now use pink color on tongue and brown inside the mouth. I am using peach color for the face. Use yellow on the shoes and red for bow and dress. Well done artist, we have completed the drawing. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe for more easy drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.